What is going on, everybody? Welcome back over here to the channel. Today I'm going to do a little cooking for you, a little outdoor cooking, as well as I think I'm going to get a little bit of target practice in. So stick around, it's going to be a good one. Alright, so today I am going to make some smoked bologna. I don't know if you've ever had this before, but it's awesome. I did 100% steal this recipe from the Meat Church website. Don't worry, I'll link everything. You could probably go watch his video, probably would be a lot better, but this is what I'm going to do today. So I have a full bologna chub here. First thing we're going to do is score it. So you just want to take your knife and kind of run it down through here. I'm probably not going to do the best job at this, but alright, so I have my bologna chub scored. The next thing I'm going to do is apply binder. This is just some regular Brookshire's yellow mustard. We're going to just put it all over this and rub it in. It's going to let our seasonings really adhere to the bologna. I might get a straight line by the end of this. So I'm going to finish scoring this, and I will see y'all. And once again, don't forget the tip. Alright, so now that we have our bologna chub good with all the mustard on it, we're going to season it. I'm using Meat Church. So as you can see, my bologna chub's nice and coated. I will definitely link them in the description. This is where I get all my seasonings from. You could go watch his YouTube channel. It's a lot bigger than mine. But you're just going to want to make sure you get this bologna chub nice and so that's seasoned. Right about where we want it. I'm going to go grab the meat with your seasoning. Alright, bologna's on the smoker. Now we wait. Alright, so I got my smoker rolling. We really want to shoot to cook this meat around 250 to 275. I'm going to go make sure everything is good. So I got my bologna on the smoker. I am about to go shoot my bow, but first I wanted to give a couple shout outs. I don't know if you can see this hat very well. There you go. I'm going to shout out to Whiskey Bent Hat Company. This is the first hat I've bought from them. I've seen them around here and there, but now I'm going to go shoot my buddies that little have their own YouTube channel. I'll link them right up there. Shout out to Project No Wasted Hours. Go give them a follow. Subscribe to their channel. They're putting out a lot of good content right now. They promote them pretty big, so I decided I'd go out on a limb and buy one of their hats. I actually picked this up on one of whiskey bents, little promotion things. I actually think this is one of their hats that was messed up. I think that Hunt Club is supposed to be the same color as the Whiskey Ranch. But I wanted to buy one to see the quality of hats before I bought any more. And to say I'm impressed would not do it justice. I'm definitely going to be buying some more hats from them. I will link their Instagram right up here. Sorry, the wind's kind of blowing. Little backstory to the bow.
Pick this block up whenever
I've never shot a bow before in my entire life. Maybe once before I bought this thing. There's a wildlife management area here in the town I live in that's archery only, and I didn't know that until this past hunting season. So I bought this middle of the season. I didn't get comfortable enough with it to go actually out in the woods and try and kill a deer, but that's the plan for this next year. So I got a lot of prep coming up this year. Gonna try and get something on the ground really before deer season, but I got to get good at it first. So let's go see. So when I say I'm new to shooting a bow, I mean brand new. I have no clue what I'm doing. The only thing I know is from the little I've watched on YouTube, a couple buddies, telling me this and that. So this is just a new skill I'm trying to learn. So before we go check our meat, I thought this was kind of cool. So I've never shot a deer with a bow. Deer with a bow. I've never shot a deer, period. But my dad, he saves all kinds of things. So he gave me these broadheads. I'm not too sure what year they're from, but they gotta be pretty old. My dad graduated high school in 1977, and I was born in 1980. So somewhere between there.
Alright. So we've been on for about an hour. You can see those score marks really start to.
So I thought it was pretty cool. Hopefully these will fit on one of the arrows I'm slinging come deer season, and I thought it'd be kind of cool to shoot my first deer not only with a bow but using some broadheads that my dad once used. So hopefully we can make that happen.
Nice color. Alright, let's get it off.
Alright, so we got our bologna chub off of the smoker. Now all that's left is to throw it on the skillet, so I'm going to cut into this. You could cut the slices as big or as little as you want. Personally, I'm going to have a pretty thick slice. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Alright, we've hit about the 2-hour mark with our meat on the smoker. Let's take a look. So if you look at this piece, you can just see how well smoke penetrated. Alright, so bologna's nice and seared. Now all we gotta do is make this sandwich. So I got some bread, and I'm going pretty basic with it. Just some normal mayonnaise on here. I'm using Hellmann's. You can use whatever brand you like. I got a slice of pepper jack cheese. And then last but not least, our smoked bologna. Alright, so I got my cast iron skillet pretty hot. I'm just going to throw this meat on here and give it a nice sear. Probably 30 to 45 seconds on each side.